Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable Get Mention notifications on Snapchat so you never miss when someone tags you in a story, snap, or chat. If you've ever felt like you're missing out on important mentions from friends, this setting is what you need to turn on. The process is super simple and only takes a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open up your Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account details live. Next, in the top right corner of your profile screen, you'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and tap on that to open your settings menu. Now that you're in settings, scroll down until you find the notifications option. Tap on it to access all the notification controls for your account. Inside the notifications section, you'll see a list of different alerts you can turn on or off. Look for the option labeled Mentions. Once you find it, simply check or enable that option.